In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Shopify app development API key step by step. Whether you're a beginner who's just getting started with Shopify development or you're setting this up to integrate a custom app or external service, this simple walkthrough will guide you through everything you need to know without confusion or stress. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and make sure you're logged in with the store owner account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the Settings option. This area controls important parts of your store, so take your time and follow along carefully to avoid missing anything important. Next, in the left-hand panel, click on Apps and Sales Channels. This section is where all your installed apps live, and it's also where Shopify allows you to manage app-related settings and development options. From here, look for the option that allows you to create a custom app, sometimes referred to as a legacy custom app. Go ahead and click on that option to continue. When prompted, enter a name for your app. This can be anything meaningful, such as the purpose of the integration or the name of your project. After typing the app name, click the Create button. Shopify may show a warning message explaining that custom apps have access to store data, so review it carefully and proceed only if you understand what you're enabling. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged in as the store owner, confirm that you actually need API access, and always work on a test store if possible. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary security risks. Once your custom app is created, open the API Credentials tab. This is where you'll find your API key and other important credentials. After that, you should be able to use this API key to connect apps, build integrations, or start developing with Shopify's powerful platform without interruptions. It's also a good idea to copy the key and store it in a secure password manager. Treat it like a password because it gives access to your store data. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to obtain your Shopify app development API key easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be stuck on the same setup. Why not make someone's day easier?